Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Frame.io for review and approvals from Premiere, full guide step by step clearly. To install Frame.io for review and approvals directly from Premiere Pro, first, ensure you have an active Frame.io account. Next, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Once Premiere Pro is open, navigate to the top menu and select Window. From the drop-down menu, choose Extensions. If Frame.io is not listed, you may need to download and install the Frame.io extension from the. After downloading, return to Premiere Pro and retry accessing the Extensions menu. Once you find the Frame.io extension, click to launch it. You will be prompted to log in to your Frame.io account. Enter your credentials and log in. After logging in, a Frame.io panel will appear on the right side of your Premiere Pro workspace. To upload your project for review, first select the sequence you want to share. In the Frame.io panel, click on the Upload button. Choose whether to upload your entire sequence or selected clips. Once you've made your selection, click Upload to initiate the process. While the upload is in progress, you can add notes and comments for reviewers in the Frame.io panel. After the upload is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Your project is now ready for review, and you can share the link with collaborators. To receive feedback, simply wait for reviewers to comment on the project within Frame.io. To view their feedback, refresh the Frame.io panel in Premiere Pro. You will notice any new comments or annotations on your project. As you address the feedback, you can re-upload the project using the same steps. This allows for a smooth review and approval process directly within Premiere Pro. Frame.io also offers version control, ensuring that everyone is reviewing the latest edits. You can easily switch between versions in the Frame.io panel to compare feedback. Finally, make sure to explore other features within Frame.io to enhance your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.